Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, I'm very, very glad to meet you. Alors,
may I ask you one question? Jesus says, "Thou shalt not kill." Why Christian people are killing?
pourquoi les chrétiens sont...
Pourquoi ils tuent si le Seigneur Jésus les a demandé de ne pas tuer?
Eh bien, it is forbidden in Christianity to kill. Surely, but alors chiefly we think that there is a difference between the life of man and the life of the beasts, n'est-ce pas? And that the life of man is sacred because the man is the image of God. But we have not the same respect relating to the beasts, to the animals, and we think that the animals are at the service of man, and that it is legitimate to man. For us, each life is not the same. What is really important is the life of man, and the human person is really sacred. And it is forbidden to kill a human person.
But Jesus does not say human being. He just says generally, "Thou shalt not kill."
Il dit que le Seigneur Jésus n'a pas spécifié ne tuez pas les êtres humains, il a dit ne pas tuer.
Ah non, il a dit de ne pas tuer de ne pas tuer l'être humain, parce que il y a in the Bible we have many examples of, by example we have many sacrifice in the Bible, sacrifice of animals, you know, many sacrifice of animals in the Bible. Alors, this is not forbidden. Alors, it is sure that it is a great sin to kill a man. Yeah. Tout à fait. Alors, there is surely the great question of the war, the national war. And it is...
You think that to kill an animal is no sin?
No sin.
Huh?
No. Nothing.
No sin?
Nothing. Because we think that the simple biologic life is not sacred. That is, what is sacred is the human life. But none, the life as...
But I think that is interpretation. Jesus Christ says generally, "Thou shalt not kill."
Yes, Jesus said, but this phrase is not the text is not a text of Jesus. It is a text of the Old Testament. And it is a text...
it is New Testament also.
Old Testament. Old Testament. Old
Is it not in the New Testament?
It is in the Levitic, in the book of the Levitic. It is not a word of Jesus. It is a word of the Levitic. And it is a part of the Decalogue of the 10 Commandments, what God gave to Moses.
That's all right. But 10 Commandments,
yes.
One of the commandments is that thou shalt not kill.
Un
des 10 commandements, et tu ne tueras pas, tout à fait. Yeah. Mais it is surely, I think, it is surely the killing of man. I think I have a great difficulty to understand why in Indian religion, because it is impossible. By example, it is necessary pour la nourriture, food. Oui, for the food of man to eat.
Man can eat grains, food grains, fruits, milk, sugar, wheat.
Not pas de chair, pas de...
No flesh.
No flesh.
No. Why? Just like the fruits. The fruits are meant for human beings.
Yes.
The tiger does not come to eat your fruits.
Yes.
So tiger's food is another animal. Man's food is fruit,
Yes, sir.
food grains,
Yes, yes. I
milk
understand.
product. Just like
Oui, mais it is why? Because grain and plants are also living beings.
That's all.
Living beings.
That we also understand.
Yes, sir.
But if you can live just like generally, if I can live on food and grains and milk, why should I kill another animal?
Yes, sir.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,